Welcome to the ultimate showdown between the Motorola Edge 70 and the iPhone Air. Today, we're diving deep into their stunning displays, powerhouse chipsets, camera capabilities, battery life, build quality, memory options, and special features. Which phone boasts the brighter, more vibrant screen? Does the Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 or Apple's A19 Pro deliver smoother performance? How do their cameras stack up in real-world use? And when it comes to battery and durability, which one truly lasts longer and feels premium? Stick around, because by the end, we'll ask the burning question: is the sleek, ultra-thin iPhone Air worth its premium price over the feature-packed Motorola Edge 70? Let's find out. The Motorola Edge 70 sports a slightly larger 6.7-inch POLED display with an impressive 4500 nits peak brightness and HDR10+ support, making it perfect for outdoor visibility and vibrant colors. Meanwhile, the iPhone Air's 6.5-inch LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED offers a peak brightness of 3000 nits, but shines with Dolby Vision and a dynamic island feature, enhancing user interaction. The Edge 70 edges out in sheer brightness and touch responsiveness with a 300 Hz sampling rate, ideal for gamers and outdoor use, while the iPhone Air impresses with its ceramic shield and anti-reflective coating for durability and clarity. The choice depends on whether you prioritize raw brightness or a refined visual experience with interactive elements. Under the hood, the iPhone Air's Apple A19 Pro chipset, built on a 3nm process, delivers a powerhouse hexa-core CPU with blazing 4.40 GHz performance cores, outpacing the Motorola Edge 70's Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 octa-core at 4nm. The efficiency and raw speed of the A19 Pro, paired with its 5-core neural GPU, make it a champion for demanding apps and AI-driven tasks. Motorola's chipset is solid, but can't quite match Apple's lead in processing power and AI integration, making the iPhone Air the go-to for those craving top-tier performance. The Motorola Edge 70 impresses with AI-powered battery optimization, a smart shortcut button, and ThinkShield protection, focusing on intelligent usability and security. In contrast, the iPhone Air boasts ultra-wideband UWB Gen 2 support for precise spatial awareness, emergency SOS via satellite for safety, and a versatile action button that doubles as camera control, blending innovation with user convenience. Both phones pack standout features, but the iPhone Air's safety and connectivity upgrades give it a futuristic edge. When it comes to cameras, the Motorola Edge 70 features a dual setup with a 50MP wide lens and an ultra-wide 50MP sensor, both equipped with PDAF and OIS, delivering sharp, versatile shots. The iPhone Air counters with a 48MP wide lens featuring sensor shift OIS and superior video capabilities, including Dolby Vision HDR at up to 60 FPS, making it the choice for videographers seeking cinematic quality. The Edge 70 excels in high-resolution photos, but the iPhone Air's video prowess and stabilization take the lead for content creators. The Motorola Edge 70 offers AI auto scene detection and night vision mode, enhancing low-light photography and scene adaptability. Meanwhile, the iPhone Air features smart HDR5, next-generation portraits with focus and depth control, and 2x optical zoom, providing more creative control and sharper portraits. For those who value portrait photography and advanced HDR, the iPhone Air delivers a more refined experience. Battery capacity is a clear win for the Motorola Edge 70 with a hefty 4,800 mAh cell, promising longer usage between charges compared to the iPhone Air's 3,149 mAh battery. This means more screen time and less frequent charging for the Edge 70, which is crucial for power users and travelers. In terms of build, the iPhone Air stands out with a premium ceramic shield front and back, plus a titanium frame that adds durability and a sleek feel. The Motorola Edge 70 uses Gorilla Glass 7i on the front, but opts for a plastic back and frame, making it lighter but less premium. If you want a phone that feels luxurious and robust in hand, the iPhone Air is the clear winner. Both phones offer IP68 water and dust resistance, but the iPhone Air can withstand immersion up to 6 meters for 30 minutes, outperforming the Edge 70's 1.5 meters. Additionally, the iPhone Air is incredibly thin at 5.6 millimeters and supports Apple Pay with multiple certifications. Combining elegance with practical convenience. Memory options are quite similar, with both phones offering 256 gigabytes and 512 gigabytes variants paired with 12 gigabytes RAM. However, the iPhone Air also offers a massive 1 terabyte option for users needing extensive storage, catering to professionals and heavy media consumers. Price-wise, the Motorola Edge 70 starts just under $900, offering great value for its specs, while the iPhone Air sits at $999, reflecting its premium build and cutting-edge features. The question is, are you willing to pay the extra $100 for the iPhone Air's refined experience?